Yeah, we can get down in here.
You were just tired, right?
Yeah, I was kind of bored with it.
Yeah, you were just tired and you're like, I just need a nap. Oh my!
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're bringing me a wrench here so I can try to...
You didn't do this. Someone else did.
So, we got a call for recovery. We have to head over to the gorge. Something halfway through the gorge broke something. So we're heading over to the gorge to see what's going on and see what we can do about it. Well, hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. At this point, we didn't know what trail in the gorge it was on. See, the gorge is a long trail. There's an upper one and a lower one. The lower one is more difficult. The upper one has been beaten down and is quite a bit easier. Good. So we got one broken down there?
Yeah, just up past the gray one to the left.
Okay.
Down there, you'll see it. It's kind of just sitting down there. Broken steering shaft.
All right.
Oh. Which one's gonna be my friend?
Okay. Okay.
I'm going to tell you what I think. You do this all the time.
The gray one down there?
Yeah, they're right in there.
Oh.
Okay. Well,
Drag link.
let's take a look here and see what we got.
Well, it's better than last year's, or at Iron Rock when we had to go way down there.
So we got a steering problem, which means that we need to hook it from the front. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Good spot for you.
Okay.
nice and shady. Thank you.
All right. Well,
Nice flat.
Oh, gorgeous.
yeah, we can get down in here.
You were just tired, right?
Yeah, I was kind of bored with it.
Yeah, you were just tired and you're like, I just need a nap. Oh my!
Oh wow.
Yeah, they're bringing me a wrench here so I can try to...
You didn't do this. Someone else did.
I got some zip ties. You might be able to zip it to hold it so it don't keep jamming and
Who
stuff.
is the actual culprit?
Yeah, we can.
No,
No.
no. One of these guys looking.
All right, we'll work at getting the wrecker down here. We're going to back the wrecker down in here and see if we can hook him up. I hope. Looks like we get to do the trail in reverse. All right, well, let's see how this goes. Going forward down a Black Diamond Trail is one thing, but going backwards, that's a whole nother thing. And the wrecker, of course, is no rear steer rock buggy. Its suspension is made for picking things up, not compliant for crawling over rocks. Okay, now we were close enough to unfold my sling.
probably would have referred you to me.
Anyway, he was, oh, wait a minute, you guys can't see that. That's coming up in a future video. Anyway, he was teasing me about calling Matt, and I told him it might be a while before he gets here. Okay, we got the sling out. Now we got to back up a few more feet and see if we can hook onto him. Okay. Okay, Jimmy, you ready? Now, I know I didn't talk to the camera much during this section, but that's because I was focused on getting the wrecker and the Jeep on the hook over the rocks. Without any further damage, of course. Now, going forward would be a little bit easier, except we have one on the hook.
You're making it. You're doing good.
Looks like we need a little winch action here. So, I couldn't go forward. I hooked my passenger rear on a rock, and I couldn't back up either because I had one on the hook and we were in the rocks. So, the next course of action was to get out the front winch.
Grab the long strap out of the milk container.
Okay.
The rhino one.
Yep. I'm breaking glass. No, I'm breaking rocks. Even though it sounds like broken glass.
Yep.
We had a huge boulder up on the hill that we could winch off of, provided it stayed in place. Okay, looks like we're rigged up and ready to give it a try. Well, I don't know if you heard that, but Abby was yelling at me to stop because the boulder was moving. Well, that doesn't work.
You're just a little up in the air.
We have the rear hooked on the boulder, and so that doesn't quite work. I think we're going to have to pick a tree, and hopefully the trees are big enough.
Just a little.
Okay, well, after getting out to assess the situation, I found out I could back up about 6 or 8 inches, which was just enough to stack some rocks. Okay, we stacked some rocks. We're going to try this again. Yes, there we go. Nope.
Nope.
Now, the reason I didn't want him to use rear-wheel drive and push on the sling is because the sling can fold up, and in the rocks, that's extremely dangerous. Brian! Unhook my rope.
Okay.
Okay, it was at this point where I started to overdrive my winch rope quite a bit, and the rock being off to the side, and with little weight on my front end going uphill, one on the hook, it was pulling me off of the trail. So I stopped to have Brian unhook my winch rope because I figured I could climb the rest of the way out on my own.
Okay. She had enough.
Well, we stalled it out, and now the battery won't start it. So we got to use the jump box again. We'll try that and see if we can get it fired up. Get out of here.
Jimmy, why did you sell the tow truck?
Why'd you do it, Jimmy?
Why? Why did you sell the tow truck? You got a throttle.
She's like, well,
Come on, save me.
she's like,
So the jump box worked again.
Yeah!
well, I guess what? Brian's experienced now. Because first day on the job that he's already experienced.
So the tow truck stumbled and stalled on me. I don't know if it was the heat, the hill, the bad gas, I'm not sure what it was, but I was so close to the top.
There we go. There we go.
I just wanted to get up and out of there.
Give her, 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 give her. Give her freaking, give her, give her, give her. See? That's all it takes.
We got him up and out of there, and we're on flat ground now, or semi-flat ground. We're gonna check everything out, and then we'll get him back to camp. So we checked, everything was secure on the hook, so we headed back to camp. So in case you didn't notice, that was very steep coming up out of there, and this is an LJ. It's a little bit longer, a little bit heavier, so we had to use the winch a little bit, and we were actually we started to rock that boulder. As big as that boulder was that was holding the winch, or that was an anchor for our winch, we started to move it, and of course, the front end of the wrecker was in the air.
It just wanted to wave hi to everybody. It just wanted to say hi. You know, like whales or whatever dolphins do, you know?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. parking lot outside the campground. That's where he wanted us to drop it off. So the tow truck ran okay back to camp, or the parking lot, and I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was because it was on a hill, if it actually starved for fuel, or if it was the heat, or what it was, but we made it to the parking lot and unhooked. That wasn't the end of our day though, so join us next time where we have another incredible recovery. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, stay safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. Just a little tug action with the anchor rope.
I guess we'll try again.
Yeah, definitely.